everyone, welcome. So today I have a Better Homes and Gardens wax melt haul. They're winter wax melts. Finally got my hands on them. They weren't available when I first ordered them, and then they finally came on to the US website, so I finally did order some. And yeah, there's a couple of scents that were sold out. The was it cold brew Christmas cold brew? It was coffee scent anyhow. And then Peace on Earth I ordered too, but that was out of stock, so I'll get them eventually, no big deal. But I did get my hands on a few of them, and I got some other little goodies from the website also. And yeah, so finally this family has got some good news. It doesn't come around too often. Once in a blue moon, we always get bad news, but got some good news, and I am going to become a mother-in-law on November 28th. I am just, I am beyond excited. Nick and Jules are going to get married. They've known each other since high school. Now, Nick lived in Miami. He's since moved up to Michigan, and so eventually he wants to live in Canada. So to get the process started, they're going to get married November 28th and then get the immigration stuff going. And then in the new year, they're going to have like an official ceremony and reception with all the family and friends and that. So yeah, I am just beyond excited. They've just known each other for so long. And then about not quite 3 years ago, Nick came up for a visit to Miami. He wanted to experience the Canadian winter. And yeah, they finally met in person just under 3 years ago. And it went from there. And yeah, I'm just so happy. Yeah, I love Nick as, he's like a son to me. He's going to be a great son-in-law, and I hope to be a great mother-in-law. I'm very excited. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. And his parents are flying up from Miami, and we'll also get to know them a little bit better. So yeah, it's very exciting. Yeah, it's kind of bittersweet. I lost two of my sons, and you know, that they're not here to experience that, and that they never were able to, you know, their lives were cut so short. They weren't able to experience life to the fullest, and so it's kind of a bittersweet moment. But yeah, I'm just so thrilled for the both of them. So anyway, yeah, that's finally some good news for this family. So I'm going to soak it up because we don't get good news too often. So anyway, so I will start with just a couple of items before I get to the wax melts. So I am previously on a haul I did. I showed you Dr. Teal's Epsom salts, and this is in Cozy Fireside, which is chestnut and cedar. And I have the other bag in the bathroom there, and I've had a couple soaks with this, and I really do like it. It says, inspired by the warmth of crackling fire with notes of smoky wood, citrus, and eucalyptus. So it is very soothing. You have to kind of like those kind of woodsy scents. It's kind of bright at the same time, a little bit of smokiness, but it's, for me, that kind of scent is very relaxing. So yeah, I had to do a lot of gardening, getting the beds ready, and I just shoveled the driveway after taking the pups for a walk, so I have a feeling I'll need a good soak tonight with some Epsom salts. But yeah, this one is actually quite nice. And so I decided to try this other scent they had, and I kind of wish I had ordered it previously, because this one's really nice. So this is a Dr. Teal's Warm Autumn Comfort, and this one really smells lovely. This is inspired by the season with notes of citrus, soft spices, and cedar to help you relax and unwind. So yeah, I can definitely smell the wood but it's more of a very bright, earthy orange, not like a really bright tart orange. It's like a, yeah, it's just like an earthy orange scent. It's really, really nice. I really like this one. So yeah, that one just smells fantastic. And I did get, I just wanted to try this out. Spray wax. Oh, sorry, Spray Away Glass Cleaner, Foaming Action. I've heard some good things about it. We do have a foaming glass cleaner here in Canada called Bonami, and that one actually works really, really well, especially when you got like the outside windows that are really, really dirty. I find that one really cleans quite well. But anyway, this was a really, really good price, so I thought I'd try it anyhow. And I do like Zep products. This is the foaming wall cleaner. So this is supposed to clean the walls, but without, you know, stripping the paint or damaging the finish on the walls. So the girls like to sit at the top of the stairs or lay at the top of the stairs, and through the front door, the windows on the side of the front door, they like to watch people come and go, and they like to guard the house. But there's a big dirt spot right along the wall where they kind of lean against. So I'm going to give this a try and see if I can get all that dirt off without taking all the paint with it. Alright, so I did get some wax melts, and I do like to get the value packs. So you get, it's 50 cents cheaper to get the value pack than to buy 2 individual packs. But the only one I was able to get was this Fresh Orchard apples. And this is a really, really good apple scent. It says apple, pear blossom, lemon, sugar, and vanilla bean. Oh, it's a very authentic apple. It's a really, really good apple. I don't really pick up the lemon. Could add some brightness to it. Vanilla, I don't know. I just get really fresh, crispy, juicy apple. So that's Fresh Orchard apple. And then these are the newer ones here. So I did get cookies, pies, and cakes. And this is cinnamon, cookies, baked goods, vanilla bean, cupcakes, and sugary goodness. And I always pop off the backs. I just find it can make a real difference to what scent notes really come out. Woo! There's definitely a sweetness. There's a spiciness. What did they say the spice was in here? Cinnamon? Well, it's pretty earthy. Yeah, it's just, I mean, I get a little bit of the doughiness. I get the cinnamon. Yeah, it's just kind of a mix of goods, like baking goods, I guess. I'm sure more of the scent notes will come out when it's melting and that, but it is a nice bakery scent. And then this one. Where's the other one here? Oh, some of these labels look the same here. I got 2 of the Festive Spice. I really do like the labels, especially the winter labels. The scent notes are actually pictured on the cover here. So this is clove, cinnamon, and fir needle, and allspice. Oh, it's just this lovely, deep, deep purple wax. Oh, man, I was trying to pop these out last night, and man, I was having a heck of a time. This one I think I'm getting more cinnamon than anything. Oh yeah, it's quite the difference. Like on the front, it's much more subdued. On the back, I get a red hot cinnamon. It's not an earthy baking kind of cinnamon. It's red hot cinnamon. Yeah, I always check the back when I'm in the stores. I'm sure the security guy's in the back looking at me sniffing all these wax melts for like an hour. He's probably going, what the freak is that woman doing? But I get hot cinnamon. I don't really get the fir needles. Maybe that'll come out when it's melting. I wish that there was more fir needles in here. But I could certainly add Perfectly Pine, Sensational's Perfectly Pine. I have some of that left, and that would go really nicely with this. But I get more hot cinnamon than anything. There's a little bit of the clove, the allspice. There's different spices in there, but definitely the cinnamon is the dominant scent there. And this is Cashmere Snow. And this is Ylang Ylang, Iris, Amber, White Pepper, and Patchouli. Now, I don't know why they call this Cashmere Snow. I thought with the cashmere it was going to be like a nice, very soft, gentle laundry scent. But I'm getting, it's starting to, whoops. Ooh, it's alive. I'm getting a little bit of a clone-y scent, actually. I get the amber, I get that earthy patchouli. But I'm not sure why they call it Cashmere Snow. It's not bad. It's not bad. But I wonder if it's going to soften up a little bit. Some of these kind of sharper scents do soften up a bit when they're melting. But I mean, I wouldn't call it Cashmere Snow. I mean, if you don't like amber and patchouli, I certainly am picking up on those scents. So I don't know. I definitely have to melt this. I mean, I like it. I just don't love it. But again, when it's melting, it might soften up and I could love it. So, and this is Maple Butterscotch Nog. And this is rum, butter, butterscotch, brown sugar, vanilla, and maple scents. And I do get the maple. I can kind of pick up on that little bit of a salty butter note in there. Oh, I'm trying to pop it out here. Yeah, I really pick up the maple on the back. A little bit of saltiness with it. I don't know about the rum, but again, some of these melts, they kind of, you have to melt them to get out all the scents, or the scent notes. A little bit of the brown sugar. So yeah, that one's good. And this is Gingerbread Cinnamon Rolls. And I thought this was out before. Well, maybe I'm thinking of orange cinnamon. There's an orange cinnamon scent. So gingerbread cinnamon, ginger, cinnamon, gingerbread, brown sugar, doughy bread, and buttercream. So it's hard. I find companies don't always get gingerbread done quite well. There's just not enough ginger, and I really like the scent of ginger. I can't pop this out. Yeah, it's probably stronger on the back. I just can't. Oh my god. It's in there good. It's in there good. Oh, there we go. It's kind of got an odd scent to it. I get a little bit of the cinnamon. I get some of that doughy bread. I don't know if that's ginger. I don't know if I like that too much. I'll have to melt it. On cold, I'm not overly impressed. But I'm very picky when it comes to my gingerbread scents. That one just, I don't know, it just doesn't quite agree with me. But we'll see if it's melting. I just got the one, luckily. This one, I'm really glad I got 2 of these. Oh my gosh, this one's so good. This is Jeweled Sugar Plum. And I do like those rich, you know, plum winter berry scents in the winter time. So this is plum, berry, cinnamon, mace, bay, which I'm assuming they mean bay leaf, aged whiskey, wood, and spice. So there's a lot of notes going on. Oh, I just get this lovely plum though. Oh, it is so good. It's got that lovely purple color. Oh, I'm just getting a very bright plum. Oh, that's so good. Oh, whiskey, well, I mean, I don't know. It could be like a plum liqueur. I think my husband's Hungarian. I think he had some Hungarian plum liqueur once, and so it could have that kind of plum liqueur kind of scent to it. I don't know if I'm picking up on the cinnamon. It's a little bit spicy. But I mean, the dominant scent is just that rich, decadent, somewhat bright kind of plum. Oh, I really like this one. I do love my plum scents. So that is Jeweled Sugar Plum. So like I said, they didn't have the Christmas cold brew. And I do like my coffee scent, so hopefully I'll get that at some point. Or Peace on Earth. Yeah, there was a couple other scents I didn't get. But anyway, that's fine. I'm quite happy with those. So, yeah, a couple of them are a little sketchy. But, well, you know, things can change when it's melting. So anyway, yes, that's it. So I am going to go soak in the tub with my Epsom salts and then watch the Toronto Raptors play basketball. And they're doing much better this year, thank goodness. It was getting kind of frustrating there last year. But anyway, yeah, I hope everyone's doing great. I hope you have a good week, and give your loved ones a hug and kiss, and take care. We'll see you soon.